Intel shares are extending yesterday's drop. Remember, let's go back to yesterday morning. They had initially popped about 4% on the news of Pat Gelsinger's retirement. But as investors dug further into the issues, they find the challenges maybe run deeper than who's at the helm. They not only closed lower yesterday, they're down almost 6% today. Deidre Bosa is exploring this angle for us in today's Tech Check. Deidre, should the board have done more over the years?
I mean, certainly Intel's board deserves a hard look here, not just what the CEOs have done the last 3 or 4. Of the 11 current members, only a few have technical semiconductor experience. Most come from finance backgrounds or from tech companies, but not in technical roles, which raises the question, where is the technical leadership at a company that aspires to be a national chip champion? Take Intel's longest-serving board member, Frank Yeary. He has overseen more than a decade of decline, manufacturing delays, missing the AI and GPU markets, unsuccessful acquisitions, and CEO selections. Yeary's background is in investment and M&A, but now he is the interim executive board chair, a position that's no longer independent and comes with more direct involvement in key decisions. Now, the differences between Intel's leadership and its peers couldn't be more stark, especially after Gelsinger's departure. NVIDIA and AMD have their founders, Jensen Huang and Lisa Su, respectively, as board chairs. AMD's board members, Mark Durkin and Abhi Talwar, they both have engineering backgrounds and experience leading chip companies. Intel, meanwhile, lost a key director in Lip-Bu Tan earlier this year, seen as the technical heft. I'm told by a source that he clashed with Gelsinger, who had the rest of the board's support. Intel, Kelly, as you mentioned, down nearly 6% again today as investors wonder what has really changed. And is the board any better equipped to choose a successful CEO after striking out with the last 3?
And many people are wondering if it kind of continues to keep its the foundry business as well as the design business or not. But C.J. Muse made an interesting point here yesterday where he said they can't really separate it and still receive the dollars that they've been given by the government because it was to this combined entity. So, again, I wonder if as investors are thinking about how they're stuck between a rock and a hard place, they're realizing there's just they're kind of stuck here.
They are really stuck, and I think that's what the stock is reflecting. I mean, I mentioned Frank Yeary, right, now, who is now the interim executive chair. He's a deal guy. So if there's any optimism that he's going to get a deal done, yes, that means potentially giving up the CHIPS Act money and giving up plans to reestablish Intel as a national chip champion. So where do you go from there? That's what the market is asking. And likely the company may need a new board or at least some more technical expertise because, remember, Pat Gelsinger was that. Now he's gone. We're
going to talk more about this next hour, but here's my question, is to get people thinking about this. What would Elon Musk do if he walked into the company tomorrow? I mean, in all seriousness,
he would fire everyone on the board, probably.
That's true. Maybe he would take it in that direction. Deidre, thanks very much for now. We appreciate it.